In this case, GR number 201792, January 24, 2018. Wilfredo P. Asayas, petitioner versus Sea Power Shipping Enterprises Incorporation and or Avi International S.A. and or Antoinette Guerrero, respondents. Sea Power Shipping Enterprise Incorporation employed the petitioner as third officer on board the MT Samaria, a vessel owned by Avi International S.A. on October 25, 2009. Prior to the expiration of his employment contract, the ship owner sold the MT Samaria to the Swiss Singapore Overseas Enterprise. As a consequence of the sale, he was discharged from the vessel and repatriated to the Philippines under the promise to transfer him to the MT Platinum, another vessel of the respondents. On April 23, 2010, the petitioner complained against the respondents to the Philippines Overseas Employment Administration, demanding the full payment of his employment contract. 2 months thereafter, the petitioner filed another complaint against the respondents for allegedly illegal dismissal and non-payment of the unexpired portion of his contract. After the sale of the vessel Samaria by the principal owner on October 25, 2009, there is illegal termination because there is no showing that he was transferred or re-engaged to another vessel named Platinum as promised by the respondent, as they are governed by employment contract for 9 months plus 3 months with the consent of both parties. In contrast, the respondents contend in their comment that the petition was not allegedly dismissed, considering that the Philippine Overseas Employment Administration standard contract permitted and termination of his employment on account of the sale of the vessel. Wherefore, the court grants the petition for review on certiorari, reverses and sets aside the decision promulgated on November 28, 2011 in CAGR SP number 12-120175. Reinstates the decision issued on May 9, 2011 in NLRC Law number 02-0001-0211 and orders the respondents to pay the cost of the suits. Likewise, the decision of the labor arbiter dated October 29, 2010 is hereby annulled and set aside. The complaint of private respondent dated June 15, 2010 is dismissed for lack of merit. Accordingly, private respondent Wilfredo P. Asayas is ordered to return to the petitioner all amounts is 1,079,320 received from petitioners to earn legal interest of 12% per annum from date of receipt until fully paid. This court is constrained to probe into the attendant circumstances as appearing on record in viewing of the particular circumstances surrounding the instant case and inasmuch as the questions that need to be settled are factual in nature.